Alright, so let's make sure that we have saved our work. So on the upper left, let's save it. Now let's double check what we have done. So from the top, we created an employee, okay, and created student, okay, and what you're seeing now, we're type it as student, okay, and we are creating a single student. If you will be creating multiple students, then this is not applicable. All right, so we'll cover that on the next lessons. And below it, we use the console object and the write line method, okay, to inform the user or the end user who will be using the application, okay, and dot press enter to print employee information and the actions after it, okay. So let's change line 44. So let's change it to students. All right, okay, I think this is ready. Let us save this, okay, and let us run. Okay, so let's, prior to running, I'd like to discuss the drop downs here. So you see debug, release, and configuration manager. So what this does is, if you're gonna deploy the application, you will change the specifics here. Okay. So right now, since we're building and we are in the development stage, so it has to be in debug. So on any CPU, it will depend on the system that you're working. Are you on 32-bit, 64-bit? Okay, so for safety, we just choose any CPU, and Visual Studio will do that for us. Okay, so let's run it. Okay, so as we have told Visual Studio that press enter to print employee information, so that will be the first one. So let's follow that, press enter. Okay, so it now has successfully printed. Okay, so let's do that again. It tells us to press enter to print student information, and our program has worked successfully. Let's press enter again. Okay, so it stops the application. All right, so this is the end of this recording, and I'll see you to the next one.